Changing colors in crochet. I'm switching between two shades for this project, and I'm carrying the color I'm not using along the top of my work, kind of favored to the back. I'm working double crochet stitches, and when I insert my hook into the stitch, I'm being sure that I'm wrapping the yarn I'm working with around the color that I'm carrying. So I am working in creases here, but my particular stitch pattern isn't important. What is important is the timing that you change your color on. I have to work 2 double crochets in this stitch before I change my color. Working 1 and working the second, starting with the gray. So inserting, yarning over, I will draw through 2 loops in the gray, and then I will drop the gray and pick up my aqua color. And I'm going to finish that double crochet in aqua. I can then go ahead and work a double crochet in the next stitch, carrying the gray shade along the top of my work now, making sure I'm getting my hook around that. And the reason we change our color in the last step of a stitch, the last yarn over and draw through, is so the top of the next stitch is the correct color. And that's the case for any stitch when you're changing color. When you do your final yarn over and draw through, you'll want to do that with your new shade. And that's how you change colors when crocheting.